Assalamu everybody, this is my 51st algorithm video. In this task, we need to divide the list into two halves, the left half and the right half. Then we need to check if the length of the array is either odd or even. If it is odd, the right half would contain one more element in comparison to the left half. For example, in this question, the length of the list is odd. So the left side would contain 2 elements and the right side would contain 3 elements. After dividing the list into two halves, we would calculate the sum for each half, and then in the end we would multiply the sum for each half. So I would make the variable sum of left half, sum of right half. Then sum left half is equal to I would use indexing. It would start from 0 and it will go till the middle of the list, and the right half is equal to list of number. It would start from the middle and it would go till the end. Then I would be making use of two for loops for number in left half. Sum left half is equal to sum left half plus number, print sum left half for number in right half, sum right half equal to sum right half plus number, print sum right half. Afterwards I would be doing product is equal to sum left half into sum right half, then print product, print right half, and then print left half. Now when we divided the list, the left half contains elements 1, 2 and the right half contains 3, 4, 5 elements. The right half sum the sum of left half is 3, 1 plus 2 3, and the sum of right half is 12. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12 and the product is 36. If I change the number to 4, now there is even number of even numbers in the list, so the list is divided evenly. The left side contains 1, 2 elements and the right half contains 3, 4 elements. Both the half contains 2 elements. The sum of left side is 3, 1 plus 2 3, and the sum of right half is 7. The product of 3 and 7 is 21. That is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.